Welcome to another Simple Dad Google tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how to fit text in a Google Sheet cell. Before moving on to the video, I would appreciate if you can let me know if this video was helpful or not. You can do this by hitting the thumbs up button or the thumbs down button. When you type some text in a cell in Google Sheets, it will not automatically fit in. Instead, the text will go out of the cell and overflow to the next column. Unfortunately, there isn't a shortcut for fitting or keeping text into a cell, hence you need to manually wrap the text to prevent it from overflowing. So there are two ways which you can do this. The first method is called wrapping. So here I have some text in a cell. So you can select the column or the row where your text is. Now at the top here, click on Format, then select Wrapping, and then select Wrap. As you can see, this will basically fit the text in the cell without overflowing onto the next column or row. The second method of fitting text into your cell is by using the Fit to Data option. You can do this by selecting the row or the column which you want the text to fit. Right-click on it, then select Resize Columns. On this option window, select Fit to Data, then click on OK. After you've selected Fit to Data, all your text will fit in all the cells. Similar to wrapping, the text will fit based on the width of each column. And that is how to fit text in Google Sheet. If this video is helpful, then please subscribe to see more videos like this. If you have any other questions, then please do let me know in the comment section down below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.